Hello students, welcome to mathematics class. Today our topic is representing 3D in 2D. So what is 2D and what is 3D? Do you know? I think you already learned the 2 dimensions and the 3 dimensions in your previous class. So let's recall. Plane shapes are those that can be drawn on the flat surface such as paper. It has two measurements, length and breadth. You can see the pictures of square and rectangle. We all know they have only two measurements, length and breadth. It is also known as two-dimensional or 2D shape. And what about the 3D? You can see this is a picture of cube. Solid shapes have three measurements, length, breadth and height. So, a solid shape is known as three-dimensional or 3D shape. So, the basic difference between 2D shapes and 3D shapes is 2D shapes has two measurements, length and breadth or height, and 3D shapes have three measurements, length, breadth and height. 3D shapes has also face, edge and corner or vertex. So what is faces, vertices or edges? Let's see. Let us take a cube and let's find its faces, vertices and edges. You all know cube has 6 faces. You can see the picture, the arrows. This shows the 6 faces of a cube. So cube has 6 faces. Coming to vertices, observe the red dot. This shows that a cube has 8 vertices. And coming to edges, you all can see the number of edges of a cube is 12. Now, is there any relation between faces, vertices and edges? Let's see. If we add faces with the vertices and subtract the number of edges from it, what shall we get? We shall get a magical number. This is 2. So, face plus vertices minus edges gives us 2. Is this holds for any three-dimensional shape? Let's examine. Let's take a cuboid. We all know cube is a special case of cuboid where the length, breadth and height are same. So, similarly, cuboid has 6 faces, 8 vertices and 12 edges. And if we add faces with the vertices and then subtract edges from it, we shall get again 2. So, this holds for cuboid also. That means here f plus v minus a gives us 2. Let's take another three-dimensional shapes. A square pyramid. You can see the picture. This is a picture of square pyramid where the base is square and the 4 sides are triangles. Let's take another shape, triangular prism. Here you can see in both the end there are 2 triangles and on the other sides there are 3 rectangles. Now let's examine the formula. Here square pyramid has 5 faces. One face is the square and others are the 4 triangles. So square pyramid has 5 faces. Now vertices. Square pyramid has 5 vertices and 8 edges. The picture shows that square pyramid has 5 vertices, 5 faces and 8 edges. Now let's add faces with vertices and then subtract edges from it. Doing this, we get the magical number 2. This formula is called Euler's formula. You have already learnt Euler's formula in your previous class. Let's check if this formula holds for triangular prism. Triangular prism has 5 faces. Now the vertices. It has 6 vertices. And what about edges? It has 9 edges. And applying the formula f plus v minus e, here also we got 2. So we can see for any 3-dimensional shape, f plus v minus e gives us the result 2. That means Euler's formula says face plus vertices minus edges is equal to 2, and this holds for any 3-dimensional figure. So that's all today. Hope you have understand the Euler's formula.